Thank you everyone for coming to this call tonight. We are about 69 on this call, and I know that in the next few minutes we'll climb to over 100. My name is FX Charles, and I'm the lead head of the FXC-Hub project. And my job tonight is to explain what this project means. Okay, so I need you to pay rapt attention to everything I have to say, and I need you to open your heart and accept the things I want to say on tonight's call so that you will have a better understanding of how this business works. Because one of the challenge we have as individuals is that we can misrepresent a project, and we can misrepresent a project by the experiences we've had in the past. If somebody has duped you in the past, when new persons bring in new projects, you will feel that they have come to dupe you again. So there's a lot of misrepresentation. And I want to do my best to explain things from the depths of my heart to everybody today so that they understand why they should be part of this business. And even after listening to this, my explanation, you decide not to be part of this business, then it is okay. Just find what works for you and make sure you consistently do those things that work for you. So, I want to start by talking about Sonic tonight. Okay, can everyone hear me? Am I audible enough to everybody?
Very clear, sir. Proceed.
Okay, somebody said I should speak louder. That's why I have to say a few things. Now, let's look at Sonic. This month, Sonic has done an amazing thing. First of all, the number of accounts connected to Sonic globally as of today, it's over 217,000 accounts globally. The number of accounts connected to Sonic as of today, from the statistics we have, is over 217,000 accounts connected. So that means that in America, in London, in UK, in different parts of the world, people are getting connected to Sonic per second per minute. So what that means is that we in Nigeria here or in Africa are not the only ones doing this business. It is done by people in China, in Asia, in Colombia, in Dubai, all over the world. In fact, the Mexicans, we have more Mexicans that are doing a lot with this business than we in Africa. In this afternoon, I shared some CPA results of people who smashed $1 million in CPA volume this month. Some has done far more than, some have done 7,000 CPA and more. Those results came in from Mexico, not Nigeria. So the truth is that this business is exploding seriously. And the earlier you begin to realize that this is a business that has the potential to change your life, the sooner you should start taking it extremely serious. Tomorrow, for example, is payday. A lot of people are going to earn massive earnings tomorrow based on profit share and lot commissions. So tomorrow is Saturday payday. And so if you have worked hard this week to build a community and having a trading capital of a minimum of $250, then tomorrow is your day of reward, because CPA earnings from profit share are going to be paid out tomorrow to you all before 6 p.m. Nigerian time. This is the beauty of the business. But before I go further, and the main things I want to talk about today, Let me just talk briefly about FXC-Hub. And having said that, I would like to share my screen and talk about a few things with regards to FXC-Hub so that people can follow the stories I want to share and talk about today. Let me put it in full screen mode and also go. Okay, so let me tell you how it started so that people can get the right story. And Elvis, if I miss any part, please be kind enough to bring me to remembrance. As of
Okay.
February, May last year, we were doing a project called GFU. Okay. And it was a Forex project. And they had these trading technology scanners that you could scan the market. It could help you scan the market and you will take entries based on it. It was a fantastic project. And so we started doing it. But the issue we had is that you had to pay a subscription of over $150 every month or more. Okay, I've forgotten the exact figure, but you have to pay above $150 or more to get access to those scanners, which was on the web. And so we started well, but a lot of people could no longer subscribe. It was difficult to subscribe because of the costs. And so it occurred to me that, Charles, you are a trader. Why not create a system that can help people trade? And so I reached out to Elvis. At that time, Elvis was involved in a project called Akash or something that he was doing. And we said, yes, it seems to be that we can start something together. So that was how we came. And I showed him the plan of the vision and the idea. And Elvis said, yes, I think this will work. So we started trading people. We started using a place called Aurum to teach people for free. So for the first time, you are hearing our gist tonight. And we started teaching for free. And our class started growing from 1 person to 2 persons. When I started having over 100 and something people coming for our classes every Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. I mean, I can't remember the day. I think it's Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And it also occurred to me that whatever they did as scanners in that other business, that I can create it. Why can't I create it for Nigerians to use? Why should Nigerians be paying $150 for scanners? Why can't I create something for Nigerians? That was my passion. I wanted to create something for Nigerians because I was bitter about capital flight and all this things. So as God will have it, we started working and God gave us the idea on how to develop those technologies. And so we started developing them and we started. While we were doing that, we were still teaching for free until one day we got information that the management of TAG needed to talk to us at the stock market. And they came up with a proposal that they see what we are doing, we are genuine, we are happy, teaching for people with passion. And they said they wanted to partner with us. That was how the partnership started. May last year, teaching for free, doing things for free, not collecting 1 naira from anybody. I have never collected 1 naira from anybody. Neither is Elvis. And we have taught with passion just to help people succeed. And so we didn't know we were sowing a seed, and that seed is what has accumulated into the massive growth of this community we are seeing today. So our objective was to teach for free, not to collect money from anybody. We don't intend to collect. We don't want to. We are blessed and we are highly favored by God. And so we started teaching, and that was how we developed all these our other technologies. Tag market started. When tag market started, they did some try and error. We had some tradings that they brought, didn't work out, where they were refining the copy trading system until finally they got Sonic. When Sonic stepped into tag, that was how tag exploded. In a space of 5 months, tag started trading over $1 billion. That was the magic Sonic. And so where we are today is FXC-Hub. FXC-Hub is an educational platform that is designed to help people succeed in the space of Forex by teaching them for free, having classes for free, empowering them for free. However, we created scanners that are very powerful, and we have a little subscription attached to those scanners, and anybody who intends to use them should pay that little premium to get it. But if you belong to the Club 200 or you belong to the senior citizen elite group of 60 years and above, then you have that technology for free. You don't need to pay. So this is how we have evolved as a people, so that people can tell the genesis of how we started. This is like over my 15 years in Forex, trading consistently, being in this space, not running around, doing just one thing, Forex, again and again. And that is how God has blessed us. Now, FXC-Hub has a disclaimer. The essence of this disclaimer is so that people will not misrepresent us. FXC-Hub does not collect money from anybody. FXC-Hub is not a trading platform. FXC-Hub is an educational platform. You do not pay us to trade for you. We do not collect money from you. We have never done that, and we will never do that. That is my promise to you. I only trade for myself. I have traded today, and I have made so much money for myself. I don't trade for people. It is a policy I don't break. So the truth here is that we are trying to tell the whole world that a genuine set of Nigerians can be trusted. A genuine set of Nigerians have integrity. It is time we build integrities to our business. That is what we are trying to do with this project. That look, there are still a few righteous people that wants to do things the God way. And the same thing I'm appealing to every one of you. Don't go and sell this project in a wrong manner. What is the wrong manner? And bring your money, nah. You will get 20% today. This is not a Ponzi. This is a real project. And it involves trading in the financial market. If profits are not made, we don't make money. For example, Sonic took a trade in the morning, made profit. From morning till now, Sonic has not taken another trade until this night that we are starting Zoom, that they just took a second trade. And the second trade came with so much profit. If Sonic has lost the trade for this night, it means we have made losses. If Sonic makes money, we make money. If Sonic makes losses, we make losses. So the truth is that the financial market is about profit and loss. This month alone, Sonic took a total of 45 trades, and they lost 6 out of 45, and they won 38. They won 38. That is the statistics. 45 trades, they had 6 losses, and they won 38. Or be 39, one of them. So the truth is that in this business, there's profit and there's loss. And this is why we need to be careful, because a lot of people have suffered too much in the hands of Ponzi fake projects. And so you understand why people are fearful, because they have lost so much. I have also lost in the past. So I understand your pain more than anyone else. And that is why I beg everybody, when you are marketing this project, don't market it with desperation. Don't market it as if it is something that will make people millions in one day. It is a lie. It can't make people millions in one day. In fact, for you to earn your first 1 million, you need at least 2 years and 2 months of serious compounding. So this is not a get-rich scheme. Take your time, explain to people how this business works. And if they say no, allow them go. Don't force them. Don't try to manipulate people to join. No, don't. It is not of God. Tell them the honest truth about it. If they say yes, let it be yes. If they say they are fearful, they are scared, tell them, okay, can you start with $10? I know you are scared. Can you try it with $10 for the next 5 months? $10 is 14,500. It won't kill them. They will say, okay, yes, I can try it. Let them try. It is them that will chase you after 5 months to say, look, I want to do more. So please, my people, let's be sincere to our people. Let's be our brother's keeper. Let's not destroy this thing, please. The reason why I'm saying this is that somebody drew my attention to somebody on Facebook, one lady like that, and she was writing, do you know tag? Tag, oh, tag, oh, tag. I said, what is that? I went to look at it. They have come again, oh, and people started asking her, do you know what tag is? She says, no. Tag is a brokerage firm. Tag is regulated. Tag is licensed. Why are you shouting tag? Obviously, she did those things because she wanted to trend. And she said, join my WhatsApp group, join my Telegram group to get more information. She wanted to trend. People do negative things because they want to trend. Why? Why destroy? Why pass a message of ignorance to people to make them fearful, to kill a brand name because you want to trend? I think it is shameful. So tonight is going to be an extensive meeting, but I want to show you all the key facts you need to know about this business so that you can be well informed to present it the right way. FXC-Hub is an educational platform. That settles it. What is FXC-Hub? They tell you what FXC-Hub is, an educational platform. Our job is to train people. Our job is to teach people. We do not collect money from anybody. We have a physical event coming up on Tuesday at our new venue in Ikeja. We have been there this evening to set up the place. It is a beautiful place. Access is free. All the teachings we are doing that Tuesday is free. All the enjoyment you will enjoy that day is free. You are not paying $1 for anything. Come and listen. Come and have fun. I'm inviting you all. Nobody is asking you for $1 at the gate. Our job is to help people to succeed. Our vision is to demystify this market. People feel Forex is complex. And I feel Forex is the easiest thing to trade. And my job is to make it simple for everybody to trade. I believe every household should be trading Forex. Every housewife, every husband, children that have graduated from university that have no job, sit down and learn Forex. You don't need a job. You need a skill set. Even those that have a job, do an extra thing by learning the skills and pay yourself money. Who says you can earn $200 every day? How much are they paying you in that bank job that you can't earn for Forex trading even every week or every day? The truth here is that people need to develop this skill set. And beyond all this, I'm saying, Warren Buffett has given us the guidelines on how to create and sustain wealth. One, don't try and lose your capital in any business. Yes, you have lost in previous businesses. Yes, they have duped you. Yes, people have lied to you. But you see, life is still moving on. A plane has crashed. People died. That will not stop people from entering the next plane to go to America. Issues happen in life. We learn from it and we move forward. Is there a better way to make people earn consistently from the Forex market? The answer is yes. If the answer is yes, what are the mitigation measures to ensure that people's capital are preserved? That is where we come in to show you the ways in which the risks are totally minimized to ensure that you keep earning and re-earning. And again, understand and invest in things you understand. A lot of people have not understood so many things, and they keep jumping from pillar to post. Oh, this one is doing 20% in one day. They are running there. This one is doing 30%. They are running there. How? When will you stop? I keep telling my people, and I tell the staffs, look, draw your trend line and stay on your trend line. This business is my trend line for the next 5 years, by the grace of God Almighty. Stay focused on this business. And anybody that stays focused will end up becoming extremely successful. Because of time, we'll talk about the Forex market. Every naira you will earn from this business is as a result of the Forex market. The Forex market is the biggest market in the world. Please, from today, spend some time watching Bloomberg News on cable, on satellite. Be watching Bloomberg so that you understand how Forex is affecting our lives. We need to be watching Bloomberg and be knowing what is happening to gold, what is happening to GBP, what is happening to currencies. All these things are on Bloomberg News on your satellite DSTV cable. Be watching it, because that is what I watch. I don't know what you watch, but that is what I watch. The market is traded Monday to Friday. Today, the market has ended. From Monday again, the market will resume again. Forex has existed like this for the past hundreds of years. It is only ignorance that have kept people away from it. In Africa, this Forex is expanding. Guys, if you have the resource, go to South Africa. See what young people are doing with Forex. People are becoming financially free by trading Forex in South Africa. Every household, there is a trader in South Africa. Trading and making money. Nigerians are trying. Go to Kenya. I've been to Kenya a couple of times. Right? Kenya is my second home. A lot of traders in Kenya. Good young traders. If you go to Morocco, go to Egypt, the same thing. Why is it that people in this Nigeria don't want to learn this skill set? We are looking for somebody to be saying, put your money in and be getting 5% every day. That is what we are looking for. But you see, that is not the way to create wealth. Skill set must be involved in the process of wealth creation. I know that Sonic is helping all of us here right now, but the truth is that that shouldn't stop you from learning this skill set. Once you have learned this skill set, it stays with you for the rest of your life. Nobody can take it away from you. Till I am 85 years old, I will still be trading Forex. It is a skill that is inside of my blood. It remains there. How do you become a member of FXC-Hub? It's for free. To join FXC-Hub, it is free. You just join. You don't pay anything. It's free. You don't give us anything. It's free. If you want the scanners, you either be between the age of 60 years and above, or you pay the subscription of $60. Even the $60 subscription you pay, $20 will go as commission to the person who brought you to the system. So it means that what FXC-Hub actually collects is $40. $40 for 3 scanners for 60 days. How many months in 60 days? 2 months in 60 days. So divide $40 by 2 months. It means an average of $20 per month. Now divide $20 by the 3 scanners. It means an average of $8 per scanner. You think that is expensive? We were paying over $150 in the other business. Over $150, that's what they were charging us. And I said no.
$250, sir, not $150.
How much, Ellis? $250.
$250. Some people were paying $280.
That's what we're paying. And now we have developed even a more superior technology. Everything now our technology is far superior than theirs. We've developed a more superior, more advanced technology. In fact,
their own is blue, 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 red, red, red.
They will tell you blue, 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 red, 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 you buy. In fact, it is Heavy's holding me back. I would have released the 4th scanner. You need to see the level of thinking and and programming we have brought into the Ford scanner. And yet we are charging you $20, and the $8, and how much? When we're saying you can even get it for free. This is to help alleviate poverty. See, we are not looking for your commendations. Oh. By the grace of God, God has blessed me. God has blessed us. We are blessed people. So it is not your 1 naira we need. It is to tell you, plan for your life. Plan for your life. Plan the next 5 years of your life. Be intentional about your life. The way Nigeria is going, if you don't plan your life, you will end up messing up yourself. The government has tried their best. You now do your best. Create your own economy. Everybody go and create your own economy. Economy that is resistant to the fall and inflation of Naira. Create your own economy. That is what we are doing with the system, creating our own. Now, these are our products, and more products we wish to unveil. And the truth is that God has given us the ideas, the mindsets, the technical know-how to build anything we want to build in Nigeria right now. We have the right team that can design anything we want. But this was something we were depending on outsiders or people to come and do it for us. And we told ourselves, we don't need Europeans to come and teach us. We can do it ourselves. That is why we have the can-do spirit in Nigeria. I sat down with the team, gave them the mandate, and said, we are building these things ourselves. And today, to God be the glory, we have built all our technology, organic technology. You can't find our technology anywhere. Now, this is where the business now becomes interesting. FXC-Hub is not alone. FXC-Hub is now in partnership with a brokerage firm that is licensed and that is regulated. And that partnership is what has given birth to Sonic AI. Now, what is Sonic AI? Sonic AI is a copy trading system. Sonic AI is not an AI. It is just a name. There are 3 individuals that are behind the Sonic system, trading for the past 15 years. They are based in Germany. They manually trade for us every day. They call themselves institutional traders. They are so good at what they do that they trade for banks and big institutions and for very rich families. The same way they trade is how they have transferred that same approach to the TAG community and to the FXC-Hub community. So once you become a member of FXC-Hub, it means Sonic has a responsibility to trade for you every day and deliver profits to you every day from the Forex market. That is your obligation, and these are your benefits of joining FXC-Hub. So if Sonic makes profit, we make profit. If Sonic does not make profit, we don't make profit. We are in a business of profit generation. We are not in a business of robbing Peter to pay Paul. We are not in a business of bring one, bring two. It's irrelevant here. We are not in a business of you trying to earn referral commission from people's capital. No. Auntie, no. Change your mindset. You only earn commissions from people's profits, not capital. It is a Ponzi mindset that earns from people's capital as referral commission. So we are not. Our model is sustainable. If Sonic makes money, we make money. If Sonic does not make money, we don't make money. This is what is called copy trading. So the summary of everything we are doing in this business is called copy trading. 99% of all brokerage firms in the world do this same thing called copy trading. So it is not an illegal thing. What is copy trading? A broker, for example, let's say the broker's name is P.U. Aziz. P.U. Aziz is a broker. What does P.U. Aziz do? They will go and look for the best of traders that are trading, that are making consistent profit. They will list them on their platform. And when they have new clients, they will tell the new clients, please, if you don't want to trade by yourself, please connect your account to Mr. Tokumbo, who is an expert trader. Anytime he trades, your account will trade. If he makes profit, you will make profit. If he makes losses, you will make losses. At the end of the day, if you guys make a lot of profit, he will take maybe 60%, you will take 40%. He will take 40%, maybe you will take 60%. That is copy trading. Somebody doing the heavy lifting for you. Accounts are mirrored to each other. One is a master account, one is a slave account. That is copy trading. But where TAG has gotten it right, that has exploded this business, is that they brought in Sonic AI team. So Sonic AI is a copy trading system that we are all connected to. Now, let me stop here and go to the web and show you a couple of insights. I know that this meeting is being recorded, and I know a lot of you are going to watch this after now. So I want to take my time to really distill things further for you guys to see things. For you guys to see things. Now, if you go to the TAG websites, okay, one of the things you will see on the TAG websites, so one of the things you will see on the TAG website, is my screen obvious enough? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
You will see something there. If you click on copy X, look at copy X here. It will tell you the next generation of copy trading. So copy trading is what happens in all brokerage firms. Then it will tell you something. It says they copy the moves of top performing traders in real time. I want you to read what is there. It says what? Copy the moves. Now, when you write exams in those days in school, they will tell you don't copy from your neighbor. So copying from your neighbor writing exams was actually a bad thing in school. But in the life in which we are right now, because of the disruption that has happened, it is now legal to copy. So copy was a bad thing in school, but in the financial world, copy is a good thing. It says copy the moves, that you should copy the moves of top performing traders in real time with TAG copy X. It says choose a trader that matches your goal. So there are a series of traders that can match your goal. It says click auto copy to instantly copy their trades. It says watch as your portfolio grows or replicates their moves. So you are replicating their moves. Whatever they do, whether you are awake or not, the trading happens. And this is the copy trading system, for example. It says one of a kind copy ecosystem. So you have various traders listed here. Your job is to select the one that meets your need. For example, this one here has a max drawdown of 4.32%. This one has done a P&L of $268, and it has done a return of plus $250. So you have various traders and various statistics of trading. Your job is to choose the one that meets your needs. And these are the top performing traders so far. And you can see their ROIs and everything. So this is what a lot of brokerage firm does. Now, if you go into the tag market, go, that is the main thing. If you go to copy X, then you will see the top institutional traders listed here. So the best of institutional traders have now been listed here, and number one ranking is Sonic. So what we are all doing in this space right now is that all our accounts are connected to Sonic. Sonic is a team of 3 persons that are trading manually. So you fund your account with a minimum of $10, amplified to 24x. The amplification of to 24x is extra money provided by what is called liquidity providers. Liquidity provision is a business in Forex. For example, if Elvis has a company and the company is 30 billion naira, for example, and Elvis does not have the money, if I am a liquidity provider, I can provide the 30 billion for Elvis, and I will tell Elvis, baby, giving me so and so profit interest on this my 30 billion to run your business. I have provided liquidity. So Sonic is what is called a copy trading system. So all our accounts, all the activities of what we are doing is that we are mirroring the trading account of Sonic. Once Sonic takes a trade, our accounts automatically takes that trade. If Sonic makes a loss, all our accounts automatically makes that loss. If Sonic closes a trade, all our accounts automatically closes at the same time. That is what we are doing, guys. And that is the summary of this business, copy trading. Is it a fantastic thing? It's not a fantastic thing. Because what Sonic is doing is what other brokers are doing. The only thing that made it fantastic is the consistency of wins, the consistency of trading, the consistency of low drawdown that Sonic guys have brought in as a specialty into this particular project. That is what makes it fantastic. Now, if you don't want to do Sonic, you can go and do NewFX and connect your account to NewFX. Yes, you can connect to NewFX. If you don't want NewFX, you can connect to Phantom. Look at all of them. They are listed here. If you don't want Phantom, you can connect to Dynamic X. If you don't want Dynamic, you can do Dynamic VIP. Or you do Samuria. I don't know what this one is. Or you can do Pip Sniper. Or you can do Gold Rush. Or you can do Aurum Mindset. Or you can do Aurum Spade Capital. Or you can do anything you want that you want to copy. You can go and copy. Nobody stops you. Once they trade, you will trade. Once they make profit, you will make profit. If they lose, you will lose. So this is the business of Forex, where profits are being made every day. And as profits are being made, sometimes losses can be made. This month, this is the result. Check your MT5. Sonic took a total of 45 trades, thereabouts. 45 trades. And is it 45 trades? Yes. 45 trades. They lost, they had 6 losses. So losses is part of this game. And they won 38. But even at the 38 that they won, Sonic was able to exceed over 1% that they promise every month. Do the mathematics. Sonic has exceeded 1%. I have done the mathematics on my own personal account. And just so you know, I have my own personal account trading for me too on Sonic. So as Sonic is making money for you, Sonic is making money for me. Every one of us have our own personal accounts. Now, what is it that makes Sonic very unique again that we need to look at? It is one fact called what is called the risk to ruin. So when you come to this page, you see the statistical performance of Sonic. Most important, look at the drawdown level, 0.86%. This is the lowest drawdown I have seen in my life that any institutional product trader is doing. And when you scroll down and go to what is called the risk to ruin, the risk to ruin is saying that in a worst case scenario, if an account is to be totally destroyed, Guys, I see that we're over 172 people on this call. This is amazing. Keep joining. And you need to learn this. Watch this again so that you gain better insight about this. If an account of $10 is amplified to 24x, that a $10 account will become $240. If the $240 account is to lose 10%, it means that Sonic will have to lose 80 trades consistently. The question is, why is it that Sonic cannot lose 80 trades consistently? Here it is. Sonic does an average of 2 trades per day. One in the London session and second one in the New York session. So in a week, technically, Sonic does 10 trades in a week. Now, if Sonic ever exceeds 10 trades in a week, it means that Sonic lost probably their second trade and they have to do a recovery. Now, this is where I need you all to settle down. 99% of the time, Sonic will win their first trade every day. And if they have a second trade that ends up in a loss, just know that they will surely take a third trade to have a recovery. This they have done consistently. So every day, Sonic never closes in a loss. It is almost practically impossible for Sonic to close in a loss. Now, if Sonic is to lose 50% of an account, it means Sonic has to have 402 losses consistently. This month alone, we had only 6 losses. In fact, this is the highest loss we've even had in a month. Except, yes, I think this is the highest loss we had in a month. This month we had 6 losses because the market is highly unstable. Trump is making statements here and there. Oh, they want Iran deal. They don't want Iran deal. Because of that, there were serious fluctuation in the market, and the change of the Fed chair, okay, also affected the market. But even at that, they managed to get 38 wins and only 6 losses. And so they can't even have 402 losses in a month. Not possible. It's practically impossible. Have you seen the way they trade? They take one position at a time, 1 trade per session, very minimal low lot sizes. The trades last within 5 to 10 minutes. Sonic is done trading. Sonic is a scalping strategy. Is a scalping copy strategy. They scalp at extreme speed of light. It's called, what's the name for it? It's called high frequency trading. They scalp. Before you blink, the market has closed, the market has ended. They don't spend more than 10 minutes in the market. So how can they have 402 losses? And if Sonic is to have a total loss that your account is blown or gone, Sonic has to lose 805 times. From January till now, I'm not sure Sonic has even had up to 50 or even 30 losses. I'm not sure. Talk less of 805. How? So, guys, these are the security checks in place. They are trading with billions. They know they are trading with billions. And so they are extremely cautious to ensure that your capital is always preserved. Now, remember that Sonic is earning 5% of any profits they make for you. That 5% they earn, as of last month, the 5% amounted to over $6 million that they took. About $6 million. And at that time, we were not up to 217,000 people connected. Now, we are more than that. Do you think Sonic will want to lose their client base to useless trading? Do you think Sonic will want to lose the $6 or $5 million they are earning every month to carelessness? If you were Sonic, will you not be praying that your clientele base should keep expanding so you can keep making more commissions? It's only a foolish man that will lose their clientele base, which I think Sonic is not ready to do. And they have not even started, because in the next 5 years, they will be earning over $20 million per month on 5% on every trade they make for you. And trust me, people are coming in millions of dollars into Sonic. Now, let's get another fact right. Let's leave Sonic. We've dealt a lot with Sonic. Let's come to tag, because that's another part of this coin. Tag market. Why should we trust tag? Who is tag? Okay. And by the way, guys, a lot of you, instead of finding out about things, you will go to Trustpilot and be asking Trustpilot, what is tag? So I have discovered that a lot of people who went to Trustpilot to write nonsense is because they did not understand the withdrawal process of tag. Tag has a very strict withdrawal process that you must follow, because the way tag withdrawal process is, your account must be the one authorizing every withdrawal, and so there are steps you must follow. If you don't follow those steps, and that's why Elvis, my brother, has done a lot of videos to explain those steps. If you don't follow those steps, they will bounce back your money. It is all for your safety. Now, also in tag, if you do not also, you need to also understand that in tag process, the withdrawal process takes within at least 1 hour to about 24 hours or maybe 48 hours. The reason for that, why it might take 24 hours or even 48 hours, you need to learn this reason, is that tag is a regulated brokerage firm. And part of the contract in the regulation that they sign is that withdrawals must come in batches. So as tag is making withdrawal, the regulators are monitoring it. They can approve everything, but they won't, because it's against regulation. Every withdrawal must be subject to the procedure of the regulator. So they pay in batches upon, but that is the way the regulators say they want to ensure accountability. So when you make a withdrawal, give it 24 hours, it will come, or in worst case 48 hours, because it has to be subjected to the contract they signed with regulators, that everything must be tracked and monitored carefully. So there's a batch by batch. It can't be instant. There's a batching process that goes with it. And because they need to account for it, the books must be checked. Why are you withdrawing? Whose account, who authorized? Everything must be followed. But you know our people, they wait for 3 hours, they don't see it, they start shouting. They go and write on Trustpilot, oh, I have waited for my money, it hasn't come, these guys are not real. No, it is not your fault. It is ignorance. So that is why I am here today to provide very extensive education with regards to that. Now, place a withdrawal tonight, which I advise everybody to do. Give it from now till latest Sunday. Your withdrawal will reflect in your crypto wallet. Okay? It will reflect. It takes time. Once I make my withdrawal in tag, okay, I tell myself in 48 hours I'm expecting it. But in most cases, in less than 24 hours, it arrives. Now, the next thing about tag market is the issue of, not the issue, is the blessing of this insurance. Before now, this insurance was not there. And so they want people to have more confidence with them. They went and got an insurance up to $1 million for everybody on every account. The question is, why are they doing it? They got it so that you understand this is what regulated brokers do. The ones that are truly regulated and have insurance, they will always have insurance for all their clients. In case of insolvency, insurance takes over. TAG did not just go to provide an insurance cover from just any roadside insurance company. They went to the best of the best, Lloyd's of London. And this is what they wrote. We have added additional protection on your funds so that you can continue trading with more confidence. This insurance will cover up to $1 million per claimant. So let me ask you, all those projects and all those businesses you did that failed in the past, be sincere to yourself. Were they really forex brokerage firms? I'm sure the answer is no. Because it's difficult for a forex broker to do to you those things that they have done to you. And the question is, if they were forex brokers firms, were they also insured? Come out with these two facts. Were they insured? And now we are telling you that all your funds are insured. Go and sleep. Have peace of mind. Your funds are insured. So, if TAG Markets was not a reputable firm, do you think, and this is a sincere question, that the Lloyd's of London, which is an insurance company and also a bank, we want to associate themselves with a fraudulent business? Do you think they want to associate themselves? Or do you think they would not have done their own due diligence checks first before they went into partnership with that? If you have a reputable company, would you want to have a partnership with a criminal organization? I'm sure the answer is no. Lloyd's of London did their due diligence checks, and they saw that this business is credible, and hence they gave this insurance policy that you see on my screen, and it's on the website, and it shows underwrites at Lloyd 100%. It is subject to a yearly renewal. You don't pay anything. That is the policy number there that covers everybody. So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe I have done extensive insights about this today. But the truth here is that we need to tell ourselves certain truths. We must be careful how we present opportunities. You can sell a good business in a bad way. That's the truth. Because you lack understanding, because you lack insight, or because you do not have the facts. But today we present the facts to you. And we're telling you that beyond sonic trading for you, there are still extra ways you can make money. One is through profit share. Profit share means that if you have a community that is under you, okay, and you have a trading capital of $250, as they are trading for your community, you'll be earning small commissions as well. Those commissions come in two forms: profit share and lot commissions. That is what is added to pay you every Saturday. Then you get CPA earnings. CPA means cost per acquisition. It is the volume of new capital injected into your structure every month. As it comes in and it begins to climb, certain percentages are paid out to you at the end of every month. The company does that because TAG Market is also making money from this trading through spreads, through lot commissions. They are making money. You think TAG Market is not making money? They are making money. It's a brokerage firm. They have provided their platform for Sonic to trade with your capital. As Sonic is trading with your capital, TAG is making money through spreads and lot commissions. That is how they make their money. Every broker makes money from lot commissions and spreads. It is the truth. Okay, this is the structure of how things work. 70% of the profits are retained by you for every profit that Sonic makes for you. 70% goes to you. 5% of that same profit goes to Sonic, and the 25% is paid out as profit share. That is the profit share that we paid out tomorrow. Same with the lot commissions. And again, we brought in the second dimension that look, people can compound their way to wealth. Warren Buffett said it, that he made his money through compounding. Here we brought a 5 years compounding plan. And we said people can compound for the next 5 years because there's nothing to be afraid of. TAG have said they want to become the #1 brokerage firm in the world. And every year, there's an insurance cover that covers everybody. So what are you scared of? What is this scare? What is this panic? Yes, CBEX dealt with people, yes. But must you dwell in CBEX? So does that mean that there cannot be something good that comes out in the future that helps you to create wealth? Was there an insurance cover in CBEX? No. Did you know how they were making money? No. Did you see the trainings on Amplify? No. So what is this? What is this shenanigans going on everywhere? Don't you know that Forex trading is about trading every day? Sonic only trades gold, gold, gold. Monday to January is gold. Nothing more. Sonic is the best gold trader in the world. Nobody does it better than them. $10 can grow to 110 to 111,000 if it is compounded in the next 5 years. I didn't say one day. So this is a journey of longevity. We are running a marathon, not a sprint. The wealth creation here we are running is a marathon, not a sprint. It's not a dash, it's a marathon. It takes patience to keep doing this business, to keep compounding, to keep reinvesting. It takes a lot of energy. I started compounding about a couple of few days or months or weeks ago, and I'm seeing the massive turn of that compounding. That is why they say compound interest is the magic that turns small regular investments into substantial wealth. Now, the next thing is that we have a Bit1 exchange. This is where crypto comes into this project. It's an exchange like Binance that is going to be involved. Everything you can do in Binance, you can do here. But in this case, they have a company called Endotech. Go and Google what is called Google Endotech. Endotech have signed a 5 years contract with that. 5 years contract with that. And what are they saying? They are saying this community of TAG, which we belong to, they will be trading for us Monday to Sunday, just the way Sonic is trading for us. And the profit here are going to be more in terms of the profit share. For example, if somebody has earned up to $12,000, you'll be earning about 60% commission, and that's the payout. It's coming. This June, everybody on this platform will have this debit card. You can transfer your earnings from the TAG market to this debit card, and you can withdraw from any ATM in the world. And as people are withdrawing from your structure, you are getting commissions as well. Can you see the kind of money we want to make here? And this is the future. Guys, why are we doing this? We're doing this because we want to help people. Let's change our nation. But let's change ourselves first. Fraud has eaten over our community. Fraud has eaten over our communities. People are now doing Yahoo, going diabolical to make money. Who says you must go diabolical to make money? Using human rituals and all kinds of things. Those nonsense needs to stop. How do we stop it? We have to create a solution that is transparent enough to help people create wealth every day. And that solution is FXC-Hub, is TAG,